Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making a Christmas centerpiece. Let's get started. Okay you guys, in an effort to save time on the video, I already pre-cut my material that I'm going to be using so that we don't have to waste time you watching me cut that. So here we go, back to the video. Okay, you guys, this is the easy way to cover something in a circle without having to actually cut out a circle. So you're going to go from one side to the opposite side and then switch to the opposite side and then back over to the opposite side and then work in between, if that makes sense. If not, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, here's the change that I made from the materials list. And instead of using the yarn, I decided to use ribbon. So that's the only change that I made to the materials list. Okay, here you go. You guys, I like to have my products to be finished, so I always put a bottom on my creations. And I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but Dollar Tree carries this felt, and it's not the greatest felt for projects, but it is awesome to put a bottom or a covering on your projects. That's just a quick tip. Okay, guys. Alrighty now, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the project and will give it a try. Thank you so much for stopping by, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.